Okay, so for part A, or part 1, we're just counting up or writing down the numbers that are in the circle A. So we're shading it on the screen now, and we're just listing the circled numbers, and that should get you full marks. You do need to have all of the numbers written down. It doesn't matter which order you write them down in, but you must have all 6 numbers that you see on the screen. If one is lost or an extra one is added, you do not get the mark. For the union of B and C, I'm shading that area now, and we're listing out all of the numbers that you see in the shaded area. Once again, you need to have all 7 numbers and not have left out a single one, or added an extra number in somewhere. If you do, you don't get the mark for that. So there are 2 marks available on the screen.